Hello everyone. Happy Tuesday. This is Aiden. Once again, guys, this video I want to show you how to make a cool um, capture page, a landing page, whatever you want to call it. Um, so this video gonna be fun for me, guys, because I gotta be creative for this. So this is my marketing system, and it's absolutely free for 7 days. So if you want to try it, um, with the Conversion Pros, guys, this is the Conversion Pros. We got so many awesome tools that we have, and we are creating more and more. The owner is, and I'm loving this system. I had it for almost 2 years, and this is how I do my offline business and my online business with these tools. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a capture page, and I'll also show you how to add pictures to your capture page. Okay, first thing you want to do, your title and you know, your page name, and then if you want to send it to something. Say I wanted the TCP 2019, the last one at 219. I got so many, you can see. We got unlimited autoresponders, guys. Unlimited. So this is my last one. So I picked that one. All right. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to hover over what you want to delete or change the fonts and stuff like that. So the first thing I do, guys, I delete this. I want it fresh. I delete this and I delete this. Okay. Yes, delete. I delete this to it. Yes. And then what I do, guys, want to change this because you don't want all this information. People don't got time for that. So I just edit it right here, and where I want to redirect. So what I do, I want to redirect to this right here. Copy it, come back, put it in, right? I click this form right here, just name and email, and I click save. And let me do it. Okay, now this button right here will take it to Conversion Pros. So then what I do, guys, I will edit this content right here, okay? And then I will type, okay, I'll say something like this. I'm just going off my brain right now, guys. I'll say, learn how to convert your contacts from our lead city. Okay, and then I will add a picture. So you want to go to edit component right here, and you just want to drag this camera up here. Okay. Then you want to go stop editing. You want to go right here, guys, and click on edit button. And then what I want to do, guys, is go to tinypic.com and I'm click on browse. Tinypic.com. This is how you add pictures. Then what I'll do is I pick me up my picture that I want. Pictures. And I probably click this one because it's talking about leads. Open. Then I click on upload now. Then what I do is I will click on, I'll copy this right here. I just paste it, erase this part right here, erase the front part right here, and I want it to be 50%, and I will click on save. Now I have my picture right here. And then what I would do, guys, is I'll pick my background. And since I'm talking about Lee City, let's go to a city. And these are all the backgrounds you can add to your page when you make it, guys. A lot of them. So I want city. There we go. And then let's see. I call it lead city. Let's see what city. Let's try this one. And then how you can look at it, how your phone will look right here, guys. So that's cool right there. We have, okay. And then what I can do is you can change this stuff right here, all that. So let's see. Let's look at red once. Nah, I don't like black. Probably black. Let me see. You can make it super black if you want, guys. Might go right. Okay. That's cool. And then what I'll do, guys, after that, I would style it up. Like what color text I want. Let's see. Let's try red. Okay. And then what I'll do is I kind of darken it up. Okay. Make it a little smaller. The weight, I'll do bold. And then we have also fonts, guys. You can change what font you want. Let's do impact. See how that looks. The same. Okay. Okay. Stop editing that. And then, guys, what I'll do is I edit one more thing. And what you do is you can change some colors of some of them. So it'll be all red. Okay. Change the color. I want this to be white. Okay. Good enough. And then let me click on save so I won't lose that. Oh, let's do so. Okay. You see the color of this red? I want to copy this right here, the color, because I want to change the button color to the same red as that. So all you do is push that right there, erase this, and just right click copy or paste, I mean. And you choose that. Oh, no. This is what I meant to do right here, guys. I messed up. The background. It's the background, guys. I changed the text. It's all good, though. And just click on paste. Then you choose that. Go back to the text. I want the text to be white. Okay. And the box shadow, guys, you see how that orange coming in? Well, it's not doing it now. Let's see. Start editing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this content right here, guys. Okay, erase this. I'm going to erase this. Okay. Click save. Okay. And this is how you create your page. But I need to erase some of this stuff. Erase this. You want to delete all this unless you want you can add your Facebook and stuff like that. You want to add it to this. But I'm going to do all that. I'm going to save. Now I want to show you guys how it look. And what I'm going to do, go back to my landing page builder and it'll be saved in there. Okay. Just get link right here, guys. And you know, you can tiny it also, guys, so it won't be all this big link. But I ain't gonna do that for this video purpose. Copy. You just make changes, you know, adjustments how you want it. You could edit it. You know, I just want to. I'm doing this real fast for y'all guys, so I might edit some things. And right here, guys, learn how to convert your contacts from our lead city. There's a lead picture. That's cool. And you see a lot of people walking. Let's see if it works. I ain't gonna do it right. I'm just gonna put a bogus email. Dang. See if it works. There you go. Then it'll come right here. Referred by Adrian. So kind of cool picture right here. I mean, I might have to use this, test it out. So let me know, guys, how y'all like this right here. If you want this, it's free, guys, for 7 days, so you can see if it fit your business. But you see how easy I created this page, this capture page, and I showed you how I got this picture from tinypit.com. So go ahead and get it free for 7 days, guys. You don't have nothing to lose but the game right here, guys. So get this free for 7 days. All right, guys.